Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to climb mountains the fastest way in Crimson Desert. Before everything else, keep in mind that this can only be done if you have a shield equipped, meaning you can't do this when dual wielding using a spear or two-handed sword. Now open your skill tab. First thing you need to do is to level up your stab move to max, because the move we need to unlock is aerial stab, which you can get if you level this up. Now, once you have the move unlocked, what you'll want to do is to use your aerial force palm 3 times like this. If you don't know, this can be done if you jump and press the force palm mid-air. On the third force palm, you need to aim above you, then perform the aerial stab like this. Now the aerial stab is tied to your stamina, so you need a bit of level in your stamina to pull this off multiple times. As you can see, I'm at the bottom of the cliff, but if we do everything correctly, it should look something like this. This is probably the fastest way to climb, especially many rare items in this game are hidden within the mountains. And that is how to climb mountains the fastest way in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.